Hi guys, welcome to another episode of MrLopezClasses.com. I receive a lot of emails, a lot of phone calls related with the quality of the new technology batteries, lithium phosphate, all of those type of batteries with respect to the cranking system. And the majority of the people say, Mr. Lopez, the lithium batteries are excellent for a house, for electronics, but they are not good in cranking system with diesel engines. And at the beginning, I am not sure about that. I received a couple of weeks ago cells from Winston Batteries, and I received one cranking battery from Winston. This is the cranking battery. It's 12.8 volts, 100 amps, and I decide to check the quality of this battery for cranking purposes. In comparison with a traditional battery, lead acid battery used for cranking purposes. Okay, and I did the comparison. The result was excellent. The Winston battery worked perfect with a great performance. And I want to share with you the results of this test. I used one John Deere engine for cylinders. I removed this engine from a generator a couple of months ago, and I separate the back end from the engine. The engine is running in good condition, and I decide to check the cranking system of this engine using both batteries, the Winston battery and the lead acid battery. Okay, let me check the properties of the lead acid battery. The lead acid battery have 800 cranking amps at 27 degrees Fahrenheit and 650 cca at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold cranking amps is 650. In the test, we found that this engine, the consumption in amps is around 230 to 40 amps, and we are going to crank that engine 4 times with each battery, with the lead acid battery and with the Winston battery. And this is the result of the voltage of this battery at rest, and this is the result of this battery at rest. Okay, and now we are going to do the comparison in this table for the first cranking in the lead acid battery, and this one was the result in the first cranking in the lead acid battery. Okay, this is the maximum voltage at the beginning, this is the voltage drop, and this is the voltage after the battery finish. Correct. Okay, and this is the consumption in amps for the lead acid battery. Okay, and now we are going to do the first cranking with the Winston battery. This is the voltage at the beginning, the voltage drop, and this is the voltage at rest, and those are the amps, the consumption in amps in the first cranking. Okay, and now we are going to check the second cranking in the lead acid battery. This one was the voltage at the beginning, the voltage drop, the maximum voltage drop, the voltage at rest after 1 minute, and this is the consumption in amps for the second cranking in lead acid battery. And now we are going to do the second cranking in the Winston battery. Okay, maximum voltage, voltage drop, and this is the voltage at rest after 1 minute, and this is the consumption in amps. Okay, we are going to do the same with the third attempt in the lead acid battery. Maximum voltage, voltage drop, and this is the voltage at rest after 1 minute, and the consumption in amps. And now in the Winston battery, okay, exactly the same, voltage drop, voltage at rest, and the consumption in amps. And now the last one in both batteries. In lead acid, okay, this is the result, the maximum voltage, correct. After that, the voltage drop, the voltage at rest, and the consumption in amps. And now the last one in the Winston battery. Okay, maximum voltage, voltage drop, voltage at rest, and the consumption. Okay, this is the comparison. Good results for both batteries. I love it, the performance of the Winston battery. I am surprised. It's a great performance. It's hand to hand with a typical cranking battery lead acid. A little better. I am pretty surprised with this cranking battery. The cables, the temperature of the cable was good. I think that this is a good analysis, and this is a good demonstration that those batteries are working great in a hard condition. Let me check the voltage after this test in both batteries. Let me check the voltage, the DC voltage. The test was 10 minutes ago, and now this is the voltage of this battery. You remember this battery start in 13.7, and now after those cranking is 13.18. That's good. And let me check the voltage of the lead acid battery after the test. It start in 12.6, something like this, and it's 12.63. It's good. The performance of both batteries is good. I am happy with the result, and the conclusion is yes, I recommend highly those Winston batteries for cranking purposes.